Hi guys, before we get into the testing, I did get somebody ask if there was any wadding in the cabinet. Yes there is, I didn't show that clip and here it is now. Hi guys, welcome back, and we're here in a different venue and we're going to test the amp. I know you've been waiting for it and I've been waiting for it too, and this is how we're going to do it. So I've got my amp set up behind the screen here. So this is what I'm going to do. I've got 3 amps, and one's my TC Electronic 1x12, one's my 2x10, and then I've got the new one, the 1x10, which is what we're going to test mainly today. They're going to be behind this curtain. We will, somebody will in a minute, rearrange them so I do not know which order they're in, and when we test them again we won't know which order they're in, so we won't have a clue where the sound is coming from or what is making that sound, and hopefully we'll get an idea of what's going on. So this is my mate Dave. Say hello, Dave.
Hello, Dave. Okay.
So Dave.
Right.
So this is cab A.
Right.
We're going to see what it sounds like.
Good.
And just see if it sounds okay. Does it sound like a bass? Sound okay?
Good. Sounds good.
I think
Punchy.
it sounds okay. So they both sound okay. Well, that sounds okay. So what does it sound like? What do you think it sounds like? Let's try it again.
I'd say they had a good balanced sound. Good
It's
top
quite,
end.
yeah, it's quite a lot of top end, isn't it?
Yes, quite a lot of top end.
And not really like loads of bottom end.
No.
No, so
A
it's
little bit of
not
a
enough.
hard edge.
Not enough bottom end for me, I don't think.
I'd go
So
with that.
yeah, a little bit. Quite nice though,
Quite
but
nice.
but
Yeah.
not deep enough.
No.
Okay,
No.
but the amp is flat.
Yep.
Yeah, the
Fair
amp's
enough.
flat, and this is
Your normal setting.
this is my normal setting,
Yeah.
which I play through a different amp. So well, possibly because I don't know what the amp that is.
Of course not. No. Okay.
But which amp do you think it is? Do you think that's the 2x10, or do you think it's the 1x12, or do you think it's
This is a
the
guess.
new one?
I would say 1x12.
You'd say 1x12.
I'd say that was the 1x12.
Okay. I think it's the new one. It's my one. I think it's the 1x10, the Celestian speaker.
Right. Okay.
So
Interesting.
the other one's a TC Electronic. So this, I think it's the 1x10
All right.
because I don't think it's got enough of the bottom end that you'll get with the others.
Right. Okay.
I think.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
Let's see.
Let's go on to cab B. Oh, I don't know now.
I think
Oh,
that's
that's interesting.
warmer. That's got more bottom end.
Yeah, but there's a clicky high trebly bit.
Yes, there is.
It's
Yeah.
nice though, isn't it? I mean, in terms of does it sound okay? Yes, it sounds okay.
Yes.
I like that.
Sounds good.
I like that.
Yeah. I like that. Warmer, it's warmer on the bottom.
Definitely warmer.
Yeah.
Um,
I'd say that
Yeah.
had a woodier sound.
but it almost sounds like there's more treble as well.
Yes. It's clear. Top end's clear.
Yeah,
sound.
it's nice.
Good sound.
Which cab do you think it is?
I think that's the 1x10.
Do you think that's 1x10?
I do.
I'd be pleased if it was 1x10. I think it's the 1x12.
Okay.
I reckon.
Okay.
Okay, next cab.
Complete disagreement.
Yeah, well that's good. See, the 1x12, the 1x12 and the 2x10 both have tweeters in as well. I didn't tell you that. And
no.
I've left them on.
Ah, right.
So, I mean, it's not a fair comparison because the 1x10 has got a lot to live up to.
Yes. Yeah.
So I might be hearing that high end from a tweeter.
You might be.
But now I've influenced you. So.
I'll pretend I didn't hear that.
Okay, so this is cab C.
Cab C, right.
First of all, does it sound okay?
Sounds good.
It sounds okay.
They all sound good.
They all sound okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
To my ear, a bit more in the middle. I know I'm only left with one choice, the 1x12.
It didn't seem to have as much bottom end.
No.
So, well, I
don't know.
I still think it's the TC. So I mean, I've only got the 2x10 left, haven't I?
Yes.
But it didn't seem as deep as the other one. So now I'm thinking the 2x10 has got to be the deepest. This is what I've got in my mind.
Right.
Not as much top end.
No.
But again, nice.
Sounds great,
nice.
But yeah,
okay.
There is a difference though.
There is. They're all okay.
Yeah.
Which one did you prefer out of all three?
I think the middle one.
The middle
second one.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so too.
Right. Which will it be?
I don't know. We will find out.
We will find out.
Okay, so let's see who was right.
Right.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Well, I can't see yet.
Ah. Interesting.
Was I right? Was you right? Who was right?
I think.
What did
you
I say?
were right.
I said A was 1x10.
Yeah, I think you were.
B was the 2. No, I said B was that.
Right.
So you got B right.
I got B right.
I think. No, you said B was.
That's right. I thought B was the 1x10.
So I got that one right, and then I got those two round the wrong way.
Yeah, very good. Well, your ears are more attuned to it.
So you got those two round the wrong way, I think.
Round the wrong way. Yeah.
What did you get? Did you get any of them right? No, you didn't get any right.
I didn't get any of them right.
There we are.
I never listen to bass players.
Well, you should do. We're better than guitarists, you know.
Just guitar players.
Yeah.
Good.